In his book, $100 million Offers, How to Make Offers So Good People Feel Stupid Saying No, Alex Hormozi outlines a comprehensive strategy to craft irresistible offers that will compel potential customers to act immediately. The book is part of the Acquisition.com $100 million series and offers a step-by-step approach to building offers that stand out in a competitive market. Hormozi, an entrepreneur and investor, distills years of experience into practical advice on how to create offers that people feel they cannot refuse. Through this book, Hormozi provides insights into creating massive value in the marketplace, maximizing the effectiveness of your marketing, and using psychology to drive conversions. This summary covers the key principles and insights that Hormozi shares in his book. 1. Understanding offers. Before diving into the tactics, Hormozi emphasizes the importance of understanding what an offer truly is. An offer is not just a product or service, it is the total package of value you provide to the customer. The offer includes the product, but also the bonuses, the guarantee, the risk reversal, and even the pricing. It's everything that makes the proposition more attractive. Hormozi's core philosophy is that to make an offer irresistible, you need to make the offer so good that it's practically impossible for the customer to say no. This requires crafting offers with a deep understanding of what your customer values most. 2. The value equation. Hormozi introduces the concept of the value equation, which is crucial in building an offer. The equation goes as follows: perceived dream outcome. How much does the customer want the result your product promises? Perceived likelihood of achievement. How confident is the customer that your product will deliver the promised result? Time delay. How long will it take for the customer to get the promised result? Effort and sacrifice. How much work or pain will the customer have to put in to get the result? The value equation shows that your offer is essentially the balance of these four factors. A great offer is one where the perceived dream outcome is high, the likelihood of achieving that outcome is also high. The time delay is short, and the effort required is minimal. In other words, you want to make it as easy and fast as possible for your customer to achieve their desired outcome. 3. Make the dream outcome as big as possible. The first step in creating an irresistible offer is to amplify the dream outcome. What is the ultimate result your customer is looking for? To make the offer more compelling, increase the perceived benefits of what the customer will receive. The larger the dream outcome, the more attractive the offer becomes. Hormozi advises entrepreneurs to understand their customers' deepest desires and how they define success. Instead of just focusing on solving a small problem, think about how you can help customers achieve something significant. This is about focusing on their most ambitious goals and aligning your offer with those aspirations. 4. Maximize the likelihood of achievement. The next component of the value equation is ensuring that your offer increases the perceived likelihood that the customer will actually achieve the dream outcome. This requires building trust and credibility. You can do this by showcasing testimonials, case studies, and statistics that demonstrate how your offer works. Hormozi explains that to maximize the likelihood of achievement, you must provide as much proof as possible. This includes showing results from others who have already succeeded with your product or service. Social proof plays a crucial role in influencing a customer's decision-making process. Another way to increase the perceived likelihood of achievement is by providing guarantees. The more you can minimize risk, the more likely customers are to feel confident about purchasing. This could mean offering a money-back guarantee or a risk-free trial. The easier you make it for the customer to see that they'll succeed, the more likely they are to take action. 5. Reduce time delay. Customers want results as quickly as possible. If your offer promises a lengthy wait before delivering results, it may not seem as attractive. Hormozi recommends that entrepreneurs find ways to reduce time delays. Whether this is through faster delivery, immediate access to content, or expedited services, reducing the time it takes for customers to see results makes your offer more desirable. To further reduce time delays, Hormozi suggests offering fast and easy solutions to problems that typically take longer to address. For example, if you're selling a fitness program, make sure that your customers can start seeing progress in a matter of weeks rather than months. 6. Minimize effort and sacrifice. The next element of an irresistible offer is minimizing the effort and sacrifice required from the customer. If your product requires too much work or comes with a steep learning curve, it might deter potential buyers. Hormozi argues that the easier and more effortless you can make it for the customer, the better. Reducing effort involves streamlining processes, making products user-friendly, and removing barriers to success. For example, if you're selling a coaching program, offer personalized support to guide customers through the process. If you are offering a product, ensure it's easy to use and doesn't require much effort to see results. The key is to minimize friction points, which could involve making the purchase process simple and offering ongoing support to ensure customers have an easy experience. 7. Bonus. Add-ons and scarcity. Hormozi emphasizes the importance of adding bonuses and creating a sense of scarcity in order to increase the perceived value of the offer. Bonuses can make the customer feel like they are getting more than what they initially paid for, which increases their desire to act immediately. Scarcity, on the other hand, plays into the human tendency to desire things that are rare or in limited supply. By limiting the availability of your offer or creating time-sensitive promotions, you can motivate customers to take action more quickly. This tactic taps into urgency, making it difficult for potential customers to ignore the offer. 8. Pricing strategy. Pricing plays a significant role in how irresistible an offer is. Hormozi explains that while pricing is important, it shouldn't be the sole focus. If your offer is valuable enough, customers will be willing to pay a higher price. Hormozi suggests positioning your offer as a high-value, high-return proposition rather than just focusing on affordability. He recommends offering different pricing tiers or packages, allowing customers to choose the one that fits their needs. This strategy also allows you to cater to different customer segments. When setting prices, consider the lifetime value of your customers and the long-term benefits they will get from your product or service. Hormozi's core belief is that you should focus on providing value, and the price will reflect the worth of what you're offering. 9. Crafting the perfect offer. Hormozi provides a framework for creating the perfect offer. Identify your customers' most significant pain points and desires. Focus on creating massive value by solving those problems in the quickest and easiest way possible. Use bonuses, guarantees, and testimonials to build trust and reduce the perceived risk. Price your offer in a way that reflects the value you're providing, without focusing too much on cheapness. Add urgency and scarcity to create a fear of missing out. FOMO. By following these principles, you can create offers that customers feel they cannot turn down. 10th conclusion. 100M Offers by Alex Hormozi provides a blueprint for creating compelling offers that people feel foolish saying no to. Through an understanding of the value equation, Hormozi explains how to increase perceived value, reduce time delays and effort, and craft offers that seem too good to pass up. By focusing on the customer's dream outcome, building trust, and creating a sense of urgency, you can create offers that lead to massive success in your business. Hormozi's insights are rooted in his extensive experience in the business world, and the strategies he shares are proven to work across a wide range of industries. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting, this book provides the tools you need to create offers that convert and scale your business to new heights.
If you want to buy this ebook, the link is in the description. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing summaries and tips.